Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to find your inbox emails on Outlook using the latest update for PC. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a refresher, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. You can do this by typing Outlook into your search bar or entering the URL directly. Once the page loads, log in with your Microsoft account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on these lines to expand the navigation panel. This menu gives you quick access to various features and folders within Outlook. Now, from the expanded menu, locate and click on Inbox. This will take you directly to your main email folder, where all incoming messages are stored. Here you'll find all your recent emails organized by date, with the newest messages appearing at the top, and that's it. You've successfully accessed your inbox in Outlook on your PC. From here, you can read, reply to, or manage your emails as needed. Remember, this updated interface is designed for simplicity and efficiency, so exploring other features like sent items or drafts is just as straightforward. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you navigate Outlook with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life simpler.